My house in Budapest, my hidden treasure chest.
Okay, so today we received our Prime. What do you call this one?
This is Amazon. From Amazon Prime.
Oh, from Amazon Prime. Like 2 days ago. Was it 2 days ago or 3 days ago?
Yes. It was 2 days ago. We ordered our very first drone.
Yes, because we are preparing for our trip to the Philippines, and we wanted to have some kind of aerial view of our land, and we could also use the drone camera for our island hopping.
That's right.
You ready to open that box, honey?
I'm ready to open. We'll take a look. See.
You're very cowboy. You opened it with your key.
Texas. Okay, well, let's see what we got here. We got lots of plastic paper. And then we got a box.
Chan-jaran! Can we see the box?
You see the box? There's the box.
What is the, like the brand for that? Is that the Holy Stone?
Yeah, it's a stone, holly stone.
So I hope that the drone camera is not very small, so it could stand, against the wind. If we will fly it over, it will not be blown away.
It's got return to home feature, so hopefully.
Okay. So we got here the instructions, the manual on how to use it, and got it upside down. Huh?
I do have it upside down, but on purpose. The thing said there was stuff came in bottom. Okay, so oh, there we go.
Oh great, it's big. It even looks bigger than in the picture. Holy cow, I'm so excited. So that is the drone, and we got here the spare parts, and I don't know what these things are called.
A lot of stuff we need to put together, apparently.
Yeah. And we got a notebook, a small
And it's
notebook.
lighting up.
Why it's lighting up? And what is that? Like the remote?
That's the battery.
Oh, the battery. Okay.
And I guess I hit the on button.
Oh, okay. So we got here the battery for the drone. And what else we got? All the wires and cables, and probably that's the control. Holistic controller.
Unless it's already on. It's not. I can tell it's not because it's too light.
So, how many are we expecting to have?
I was expecting 2 batteries.
Okay. Why? What you expected? Because it says from the website that we'll have 2 batteries.
I thought that's what it said, but I'll have to go back and look.
Okay, we'll
But anyway.
check on that.
There you go. That's what we got.
Ooh, are you happy?
Oh, I'm thrilled.
Me too.
Thrilled. Now I gotta learn how to put it together, and I gotta learn how to fly it. All
Okay.
before we leave in a week and a half.
Okay, wrap it up, honey.
So this is just
Connection
one more
numbers.
step in becoming an expat.
And we are so excited for our trip to the Philippines. That would be on March 1.
Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. It won't cost you anything.
Bye!